What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today's video is indoors, and this is my Mesclun, Mesclun. These are the seeds from the lettuce. If you've been following along, I showed y'all a video of me talking about these and letting them dry out so we can collect the seeds from it. So if you look down here, let me see, zoom in a little bit. I can see that that's what the seeds look like, and they're in these little pods right here, right there. So let's crack some open. All right, I don't have any white napkins, but here's a pod. See that? Thought I could hear them shaking around in there. But look, open it up, and there's your seeds. All right. So I'm gonna just keep doing that, and I will show you. I'm gonna put it back in the Ziploc bag. To be safe, just keep it in the bag and crunch it up, and then take all of the pods out and leave the seeds in the bag. But yep, that's it. Okay, is it a glare? So just the easiest way to do it. Instead of sitting there trying to open each one, when they dry, they just gonna crunch up and come out. So and this is what it looks like after you've got them all out. Just, you know, do a quick 1, 2, 3 over them again, just to make sure you got all of the seeds out. And then you'll have a bunch of lettuce seeds. I haven't finished pulling all the stems out, but I'll show you that. Hold on. Look, this is all we got. That's a lot from those pods. So, long story short, if your lettuce starts to bolt, don't be sad. Let it do what it does and collect the seeds from it, okay? And then you can start over again next year, or whenever you want to plant some more. Keep the seeds and then start your own seed collection. These little baggies are just, what, little jewelry bags, or like little zippy bags. Whatever you can find to store seeds, that's all you need. Just something, and keep them in a cool, dark place. But yep, that's it. That's all I got. Stay locked in. I love y'all. Like, share, subscribe. Peace out.